Just wanted to give a quick overview of the truck. It's a 2004 Silverado 2500 HD. It's got the gas 6.0 on it. 16 by 10s on 35 by 12.5 Goodyear dirt tracks. Main purpose of this video is the exhaust, obviously, so it's a true dual. It's a true dual with the next pipe, and then it dumps to a dual exit on both sides. Pretty straightforward setup. Just wanted to do a quick video showing the sound level of the exhaust. Going about 60 miles an hour because my speedo's off, but I'm talking a normal level, and still, I mean, you get wind noise more than the exhaust. Tire noise also. This is a true dual with a X pipe. Still has the factory cats, no muffler. Be a moderate acceleration, windows up. Another video of 55, 60 roughly. Cruising and just have a normal conversation, talking at a relatively quiet level right now.